Ninang Group. First in our list is Pastor Ronaldo Magpayo and Ninang Amy Liberty Magpayo. Palagpakan po natin sila. Mari po ba kayo tumayo, Pastor? Can you please stand and raise your hands in front of the camera? Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Thank you so much. Set of Ninang and Ninong, Mr. Antonio Dunca and Ninang Rodora Custer. You must malakas na palakpakan sa mga guests, please. Thank you so much, Ninang and Ninong. Next in our Ninong Arishete and Ninang Myla Soto. Thank you so much, Ninang. Magandang gabi po. And may the Lord bless you as well. Next in our list, Mr. Nicolas Gutierrez and Ninang Grace Pagtaluna. Ngayon po tayo siya. Palagpakan po natin the members of the Last God Parents of the Newlyweds. Next in our list, Mr. Randy Reyes and Ninang Joey Reyes. Ayun, sige na! Salamat po. Magandang gabi. And thank you for coming here tonight. Next, we'd like to acknowledge Mr. Lonnie Cunningham and Ninang Amelia Asuncion. Palagpakan naman po sa our very talented Ninang who danced earlier. Thank you. Next in our list is Mr. Eugene De Jesus and Ninang Lolita Castro. Palagpakan naman natin ang ating mga Ninang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong paggabay at pagmamahal sa bagong kasal. Can you please stand, Mr. Leonardo Calayan and Ninang Judith Damka. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ninong, napalagpakan naman natin the members of the principal sponsors. Next in our list, Mr. Roque de la Cruz and Ninang Lolita de la Cruz. Maraming salamat po. And there you have it, the members of the Last God Parents, the Ninangs and Ninongs of the newlywed couple. Hindi po ba ako natawag ng mga pangalan? Maraming salamat po. Patuloy niyo po silang mahalin, gabayan at suportahan sa kanilang buhay mag-asawa. Hindi po magiging posible ang okasyon na ito kung hindi po dahil sa kanilang mga minamahal na mga magulang. So let us all acknowledge the loving, supportive, and proud parents of the groom. Mr. Manuel De Jesus, represented by Mr. Nino Solomon Samonte and Ma'am Maribel De Jesus. Palagpakan naman po natin the loving